All right. Yo, what's up?
Hey.
Welcome to another edition of Team Ambition Fitness. I'm your coach, John Robinson, my wife and coach, Cleo Robinson.
Hey, everybody.
So we thought we'd do something a little different this time. A lot of times when you see a lot of these meal prep shows or videos, it's always just one person, right? But hey, it takes two to tango. So why not have my wife and I do this together, all right? Because I know a lot of times we have our wife, husband, boyfriend, girlfriend. A lot of times, sometimes we want to prep together and some people don't know how or whatever the case may be. So guess what? We're going to do it together. All right, so first, what we're going to make today is we're going to have, as our protein, we have some steak here. All right, so this is our protein. You'll get a chance to see how we measure it out. We cook it in bulk or whatnot, the whole nine, okay? Also, our veggies. Every meal should have some veggies in it, all right?
Which we buy in bulk. And for us, it's the Sam's Club. It's just easier for us to have a large stock at home, then we can go ahead and cook it up and have it whenever we need it.
All right. Also, for our complex carbs here, we make it a little simple. All right. It's not cheating. But hey, you know, warm these bad boys up for about 90 seconds, a minute 30 seconds. Boom.
Gets the job done. Tastes good.
Especially, like I said, you want to be here all day. So I want to talk about these. So a lot of times we use Mrs. Dash seasoning, which is really good, top of the line, definitely. But sometimes, you know, my wife likes to go at different flavor type of stuff. So when it comes to veggies, she doesn't like, you know, the bad taste and plain taste. So she utilizes these various ways of seasoning.
I need flavor in my life when I'm eating my veggies.
Amen. I don't mind, but hey, if she throws in there and makes it taste better, I'll take it.
Kids like it too.
So also for our fats, pretty much our coconut oil. I pretty much cook this in almost everything, pretty much. Sometimes you don't need it, depends on your macronutrient needs, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. We're going ahead and set this up. So like I said, we're gonna start with the rice first. All right, so a lot of these things, sometimes they don't take that long. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and set the stove up and we'll be right back. You guys will see how this whole thing works. All right, we're gonna fast forward it for you guys. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
All right, so with the steaks, we got those on and we just added a scoop of the coconut oil in here for this. We did 3 bags of the brown rice. As you see, we have 2 in here and the other one just finished. And then for the vegetables, so I don't use any oil or anything for my vegetables, and that's because this is a non-stick pan, so I just put it in there and I sprinkle the seasoning on top, which I use the onion powder and the ranch powder, and I don't add any water because the vegetables are frozen, so the water that comes off of them is what I use to mix it all together and get all the flavors going. And we'll show you the finished product in just a minute. So I'm gonna cover this up with tin foil just to hold the heat and get everything going in here. Get all the juices flowing. And I'm gonna cover this with tin foil too, just to keep the heat so it all cooks evenly.
So we're back. All right, so thanks for tuning in again. So now we're gonna go over how we measure our food. As you can see, like I said, the finished product. I already had a strip, she didn't even know yet. It was good. So here's your veggies. These came out looking really good. They look fresh. I can't wait to actually eat them. And here's the rice.
That's 3 bags of rice.
All right.
2 of the frozen bags of the vegetables, and 2 frozen bags of the steak strips that we showed you.
So next, weighing. So this is our scale we use. Hopefully it comes on. There you go. Boom. Okay. And our cups. And our tray container. So as you can see.
And hers.
There you go. So this one's mine. It's just 2 compartments. I usually put my protein here. And then I put, whether it's the rice or veggies, I mix them up here, so I don't mind my food being mixed up together.
I do, and thanks to my lovely sister, I have a container that has 3 individual slots. So my meat goes here, my veggies here or here, whichever one, and then for this demo is going to be rice. So veggies, rice, and the protein.
Cool. So let's get started. So like I said, here we go. We're gonna do the whole measuring part. Okay. So again, like I said, we got half a cup, full cup, our scale. Okay. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do half a cup. Okay. Half a cup of rice. Just gonna see how much that is. 3.3 ounces. 3.4 is fluctuating. Okay. So one other thing you can do prior to measuring it, you can also weigh the cup just to see how much it is. And you can do the basic math behind it. Okay. So we got our half cup of rice. So now we're gonna do veggies. Get a nice size of veggies. Okay. Again, you can weigh it out, see how much it weighs. Okay, so that's 6 ounces. I know Chloe likes to have her veggies and rice split, so hence that's why we're using hers. So I guess I'm prepping her meal for her right now. All right. So next we're gonna go ahead and do the steak. See how much that is. Let me give it a little bit more. Make sure it gets all in there. Try to. Okay. Promise my hands are clean. All right. So we're at 4.3. Excuse me, 5.3. Excuse me. So we dumped that all in there. All right, cool. So now that's done. So now how do we calculate our macros? All right. So there's a bunch of different apps out there that you can calculate it, right? The one we like to use the most, or I have my team members use, is MyFitnessPal. Okay. So later on, I'll go ahead and post on there what the macro count is for this totally. So basically, all you're doing is you're scanning the actual package that you're utilizing for your foods. So every package usually has a barcode on the back, so you scan it and you pretty much set it to the serving size that you just did. That you measured out using cups, ounces, whatever genre you decide to use in regards to measurements. That's all you're pretty much doing. Also, you should already have any good coach or any program that you're on, is you already have your macros set. So essentially, as long as you're fitting your macros, you should be good to go. All right, so that's a pretty much breakout of how the measurements go. More details, hit us up. So let me know. All right. All right. Hey, so welcome back. Thank you very much for tuning in to Team Ambition Fitness. Me and my wife, my coach here. We did our meal prep, so we appreciate you guys tuning in. Hope you learned something from it. As you can see, the meal prep came out really, really good. I don't know about you guys, but I'm stupid excited about actually chowing down on this food. So now we got food in bulk for the next 2 or 3 days, and we'll do it again. Today's Sunday, so we'll probably end doing it again on Wednesday. Okay. So team effort. So you can find out how to find us or how to follow us, or if you want to get in contact with us to do a meal plan or a training plan, whatever genre may be, find it right below here. All right. As we always say, be epic, ambitious, stay tenacious. We're out. So the first one you see is with coconut oil. The next one you will see is without coconut oil. Here you go. Here's the macros. Remember, no excuses, just results. It's go time. Let's go.